So today's video is a little bit of stuff that happened way back earlier in the summer and stuff that's happening right now. It's just our search, our journey for our track hoe. So y'all can see some of the ones we went and looked at. We're down here in the flatland with the flatland farmers. Welcome to Arkansas. They look pretty dry down this way. We're headed to Widener, Arkansas to look at a piece of equipment, and they got some pretty good looking beans down here. They need looks like they need a drink. I need one of them land livers. Hey man, you want to sell one of them land livers?
In a quarter mile, your destination will be on the right.
9870. There she is.
Your destination is on the right.
Demo it. Look at them.
See him there? Yeah. Hey, tomato. You like that? What about this monster truck?
Now I wonder if we get back out on the road without being killed. That's a pretty common occurrence on I-40. You take your life in your own hands when you get on this road. we've got to where we avoid it at all costs.
That's the reason Thursday we're going around through
Country.
the side, yeah, country roads.
Oh, by the way, we didn't film none of that.
Wasn't much to film.
Yeah, we went to a dealer, look at a track hoe, and
In 2 miles, take exit 79 for US 412 toward Jackson.
we went down that road and there wasn't nothing but shady car dealers, and I said, well, if there's a bunch of shady car dealers, you pretty much guarantee there's going to be a shady equipment dealer. And we pulled in there and it was pretty shady looking, so we decided not to take our chances with the machine from there. And plus the one, we didn't really see the machine we went to look at, but one similar to what I wanted, we looked at it, and let's just say they took pictures of the best sides of it.
Hi guys.
Hi buddy, hope you find your dad. Tell everybody what we're doing, Robert. What are you working on?
We well, I'm greasing the brakes on our new to us low boy,
Why did we have to buy a low boy?
because we bought a hoe.
Every man needs a good hoe in his life.
Yep.
For those of y'all that think we're being dirty people, we are not being dirty. We bought what is known as a track hoe. That's what it's called down south.
Excavator.
The technical term, I reckon, is an excavator. And y'all know we was looking for about a 17 to 18,000 pound excavator. Well, we bought like slightly bigger. Like we bought a 28,000 pound excavator. We only went 10,000 pounds over. And the reason I was looking for an 18,000 pound excavator was we wanted to be able to haul it on my regular gooseneck trailer and not have to buy a low boy. But we come across an excavator in Fulton, Kentucky, an older gentleman had. It hadn't been used in several years, but we went and drove it. Seems to be a tight little machine, so we're gonna take a chance on it. I had to give a little more for the trailer than I wanted to give for a trailer, but this is a whole lot nicer trailer than what I had been looking at. So we bought the excavator a little cheaper, but we had to give a little more for the trailer. It's a lot heavier built trailer than what I wanted. This trailer is a 1975 model and will haul 62,000 pounds. So it's pretty good house of a trailer. Where went my? This is a 1993 Cat E120B, manufactured by Cat. It's actually just a Mitsubishi painted Cat yellow. There's a sticker somewhere. It's nothing fancy. Yeah, made in Japan, put together by Cat in Peoria, Illinois. It's nothing special. It's not quite as fancy as what I wanted, but we thought the money was right on this one. It's a lot bigger track hole than we was trying to buy, and it cost a lot less money than what we was going to spend on a smaller unit. One thing I did give up was air conditioning. I really wanted air conditioning, but I didn't get it. And did we have to give up anything else? Just it not hardly been as nice as what we wanted, but I mean the paint on it ain't that great, but I've seen a whole lot worse track holes. I mean, the doors are all shut, the shields aren't bent up. Gotta dig them good undercarriage. Somebody put an undercarriage on it, and it hadn't run a whole lot. When I first looked at the pictures of it on the internet, I thought the tracks was wore out, because you see how there's swag in there, but it's the pins and the tracks are kind of froze up, because this thing's been sitting in a barn for 5 or 6 years and hadn't been used, and the older fella that had it decided to sell it, and we found it on Facebook Marketplace and went up there and bought it. So let's quit talking about it and put it to work. is how we pull pigweed over here in fire. And then we put them in the ditch where they'll float on down your way. Gotta suck up a little go-go juice. You need one loop or two.
Must not be a very big tank. Must not be a very big tank.
Well, I don't know. Does it only show? I don't know. Needs a good greasing. Well, I hope you enjoyed our sneak peek at the little old track hoe, the Cat E120B. It would be later go on to be replaced by the 312 in about 94, 95, I believe. I'm sure you'll be seeing a lot more of it on the channel. I'll put it in there with me and get some in-cab views. The one thing it does not have that I wish it had was an air conditioner. We're gonna have to rig me up a fan so I can stay cool in there. But other than that, I'm ready to go tearing down trees.